Researchers say it's no secret. American society has a cultural obsession with women's bodies. Magazine covers like these show how the media use this obsession to sell products. For many women, this obsession with bodies can lead to unwanted stares. Researchers have named this phenomenon the objectifying gaze.
And colloquially, we talk about it as sort of checking someone out or leering at someone or ogling someone. But from a scientific perspective, what we mean is really focusing more attention on the body and less attention on the face.
Now, UNL researchers have found a way to quantify the objectifying gaze using eye tracking technology. UNL's Sarah Jarvet and Michael Dodd asked male and female participants to look at photos of women and then rate them on their attractiveness and personality. They tracked their eye movements as they looked at the women, who had been photoshopped to have average, straight, or hourglass figures.
The study found that men were equally likely to look at a woman's face as they were to her chest. The surprising thing, though, is that women looked at other women the same way.
And generally what we found was that men focused on the breasts and the waists of women to a larger extent when they were focused on their appearances relative to their faces. But when they were focused on personalities, their attention returned back to the face, which was pretty interesting. We found a similar effect, sort of surprisingly, for women, which we didn't necessarily expect from the get-go.
What you're seeing here are typical results from an average participant. The marks indicate where the person's eyes went to on the body during the study. You can see that when the participants rated women on their personality, they were more likely to focus on their face. However, when rating women on their appearance, participants' eyes wandered to the breasts and genitals. NewsNet Nebraska asked students how they felt about the study.
I guess it didn't really surprise me that men and women both looked at the chest equally, because I think that in society, the way your body is marks how successful you are.
This is only the first step in kind of identifying objectifying gaze type stuff. If you actually want to be impactful with the research, you then need to figure out a way to adjust people's behavior.
Jarvet and Dodd are now studying how the objectifying gaze affects men. For NewsNet Nebraska, I'm Heather Haskins reporting.